Hi, here is the Konica MT-7 overall conditions, and here is the battery compartment. Using 2 AA battery, I will just put accordingly like this, and okay, then by pulling here down to open it. Next thing, by pulling here to open the back cover. Inside will be like this, and here is the film. About the film, we need to slide from the bottom to the top to make sure that the motor have fit into the center part of the canister, like that, and put the film tip to here. Then make sure that your film is flat like this and close it. The next thing, adjust the ISO according to your film. Just now my film is 100 ISO, then here I just adjust to 100 will do. If you adjust to 400 or 200, then the outcome will be like darker a bit. Yeah. How to make sure we have loaded the film properly is quite easy. When you click the shutter and here start moving, which means that it's okay already. Then now we can start shooting. Yeah. Here's the viewfinder. You just shoot. Here's for framing, okay? And when you half press, you got a red light. Light up means that you need to open the flash, like here. Push it up and wait for it. Maybe it took around 30 seconds like that. Yeah. Then when it's done, then just shoot. Well, sometimes if you're afraid like maybe it doesn't ready yet or haven't charged yet, then you can wait for this indicator light. Well, if you wait for this indicator light, it might took longer a bit lah, okay? So yep. And for this camera, the perfect shooting range is 1.5 meter to 2 meter for the flash. Then for normal shooting, it is probably like 1.3 meter to infinity will be okay. If it's too close, then it will be blur. And just wait for it, although it's already fully charged. Wow, if you want to wait for the light, then you might take a longer time because the battery, you need to charge the flash. Then after the capacitor is full, then only it will charge the light up like that. Okay. Then here in the back here is the date function. While the date function has stopped functioning because we need to replace the battery for the date. While the date doesn't until 2025 lah, so you can just ignore it. And if you didn't use the flash, then you just push it down will do. Okay. And when you should finish, how to know whether you should finish is quite easy lah. Here is the indicator. While sometimes you can take more than 36 pics. And when you should finish, it will get like the tight sound or something. Maybe I can show you. Wait for it. Okay, almost there. Like that. Then you auto rewind. Wow, the bottom part of here is rewind manually. Wow, normally I would recommend you just shoot until it finish, then it will auto rewind, will be better lah. So you can like get some bonus. Like maybe some of them took 36 only, while you maybe can take like 37 or 38. Yeah. So you just wait until it stop, then only you open the back cover and took out your film. If inside got film and it doesn't fully rewind, then don't open it. If not, the film will be exposed to the light and it's all gone. Yeah. Now the sound has stopped, then we just open it and take out our film to develop. So it's just that simple, and hope you enjoyed.